It's that time again. Clayton County's premier business and community exhibition is back to celebrate the 11th annual Showcase Clayton Expo. The Clayton County Chamber of Commerce will host an opportunity for businesses to exhibit their products and services, as well as networking with the community and fellow business leaders. This year's Showcase Clayton Expo will again feature the Clayton County's government show on the road to hear from our elected officials and representatives from Clayton County departments. We've also added an exclusive job fair from top industry professionals. Join us on Thursday, August the 11th from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the First Baptist Church of Jonesboro for an opportunity to experience over 50 exhibitors offering an inside look into their organizations. The expo is a family-friendly event that is free and open to the public. The evening will be filled with networking, food, door prizes, and activities for all. Come on out and let's showcase Clayton. To learn more about this event, please visit claytonchamber.org.